Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to again new video, manufacturing process technology 1 and 2. In this video we are going to look the answers of week 1 assignment 1. Due date of this assignment is 5th of February 2025. So guys, I have marked it and submitted. You also can see the answers and mark the answers in your assignment. Guys, like the video, subscribe the channel, and please press the bell icon so that you can get notification when I upload the new assignment solutions. And do share the video with your friends. You can look the answers and mark the answers in your assignment and submit it before the due date. Thank you everyone for watching this video.